In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use our default pay-per-view packages. Here I have two pre-configured playlists. I'll be working with our second playlist where I have 3 videos, each are set to free to watch. To enter the setup for each video, I will click on pay-per-view and enter the configuration pane. I will then change from free to watch to paid password protected, where I am able to manage my default packages. You will be presented with 3 default packages. The green ticket will allow you to access this specific video only and is part of our default single ticket package. Once enabled, you will be able to set up your pricing for that ticket. In this case, I have entered £2. Navigate to View Sale Description, where you can enter the description related to that ticket. Once completed, I now create a name for my ticket. In this case, I have named it Single Video Ticket. I can now go ahead and select and enter the other fields. I have set an expiry period of 1 month, which starts from the moment the ticket is purchased. I have the option to limit the number of times a viewer can use that specific ticket to watch that specific video for which the ticket has been created. In this case, I will set this to 3. Upon completion, I will save my newly created ticket and return to my user panel. You will notice a small icon has replaced the word free in our PPV password column. This simply means that our video is now pay-per-view as opposed to free to watch. Now from a viewer perspective, they will be presented with the playlists. Navigating to playlist 2, you can see now that the first video costs £2, while the other 2 videos are still free to watch. Changes to our panel are reflected in the playlists in real time. If I click on a video, the viewer will be prompted to purchase a single ticket for that video. If I go ahead and click on that ticket, you can see I am automatically redirected to PayPal. Once a payment is made, the viewer is taken back to the video site, where they will be able to view the video they have just purchased. A single video ticket has been purchased for the first video, while the second video is still free to watch. And my third video is also free to watch. Returning to my panel, I will set up a pay-per-view ticket for my second video by clicking on PPV. This time I will enable 2 options, one with a single ticket which I set to £3, along with an expiry period of 1 month, and I will set the total number of views allowed to 3. Obviously you can set these values to whichever values you want. I will now enable the blue ticket, which will give me access to any of the videos within this playlist. I will set the price a little higher as this package offers our viewers a lot more. Now I'll enter the description for this package. In this case I have named it Buy Access to All Videos in Playlist 2. So again I will set the expiry period to 1 month, but this time I will give the viewer the ability to use the ticket an unlimited number of times. This means they can access a playlist as many times as they like. But I will however limit the number of times a viewer can watch each video. So I will set the number of times a viewer can watch each video to 3, and I will now go ahead and save the changes. Now returning to my configuration panel, you can see that the second video has a green and blue ticket assigned to it. When I refresh my playlist page, you can see both changes have been applied to the playlist. When a viewer wishes to play either one of the videos, they now have the option to buy a ticket or a blue playlist ticket. Remember, only videos that support the playlist ticket can be watched when a blue ticket is purchased. In this case, we only have 2 videos supporting this ticket. I will now go ahead and enable a playlist ticket for our third video and preview it. Now our first video supports the green single ticket, our second supports both single and playlist tickets, and when I refresh, the third will now support the blue playlist ticket also. If a viewer purchased a ticket, they will be able to watch the second and third video in the playlist. If they purchase a ticket from our second video, they can watch either that video only, or both the second and third videos. If they purchase a green ticket from the first video, they can only watch that particular video, and the green tickets can only be used for single videos. The red ticket is a global ticket which can be applied across multiple playlists regardless of where they are. So a viewer purchasing a global ticket will have access to all videos across all playlists, as long as you have the checkbox enabled.